What up, class? This Coach Fred here, Mr. Croon or Sticks or whatever it is y'all are calling me these days. Today I'm gonna show you how to log in and navigate through TestOut, just in case you forgot, or maybe you're new to the class and I never taught you. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's go ahead and get it then. All right. So as you can see, I'm on the test out screen right here. All you would have had done is type in test out in whatever search engine you may be using. So that's Safari, Google Chrome. I think what is Windows, whatever Windows uses also. But I'm using Google Chrome. So what I did is just go testout.com and it took me to this screen that you see right now. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your login button here and you want to click login. Login is going to take you to this screen right here. All right. So right here is where you will type in your username. Your username in this situation would be the username that you would use to log into your school Focus account or log into a computer at the school. You would use that username to log in. And then your password will be the password that I provided for you through email or I gave to you in class. If you don't have a password or if you don't remember your password, you can definitely email me or message me through Focus and I will get you set up. If you don't have an account, you can definitely email me or contact me through Focus and I'll get you set up and moving in the right direction also. So moving on, logging in as a student. All right, so here on this screen, this is going to look similar to your screen, all right? No matter whatever browser or device you're using, as long as you're not on your cell phone trying to do it. So what we're going to do is, if you see the screen, we're going to scroll down. You scroll down on the screen till you see Test Out Office Pro. And you can actually just come over here and left click this little section here, Test Out Office Pro. All right, so I'm left clicking to Test Out Office Pro, and it took me to this screen that you see right now that says 0.1, how to use the course. All right, so basically this is just directions and some features and stuff that Test Out has, and they want to show you how to work through their software. Cool. If you need this, or well, if you've never used Test Out before, you possibly need to go through this stuff. If you've used Test Out before, then I ain't gonna lie, I skip it. All right. So in this situation, after you logged in, what I've been teaching my students to do, which are y'all, is just come over here to this actions button, click actions and go to search. And what's happening is it's going to take us exactly to what we want to get to. So in this situation for this week's assignment, you had to do 4.9, right? So let's go 4.9 and we're 4.9. As you see 4.9, it's a reading, but you scroll down and you go here 4.9 using themes, styles, and templates. If that matched with the information that was given in your email, then this is where you would start it. All right. And as you see, you would just come through and you would read these. Start at the top and make sure you understand what you're reading. Basically, this is just letting you know what you're going to be doing within this part of Test Out. This is chapter 4. So using themes, styles, and templates. So you just read and you'll go on and you keep going. Right here, you'll play a video. If you want to get the script to play with it also, so basically you'll be able to read what's happening too. You can do that, but play your video. You can click here and it'll play. And you'll play. You keep going, 4.9.2. You do the same thing here. And make sure you're paying attention while you're watching the videos, because it's actually some real valuable information in here that you're going to need. I mean, let me repeat that. You are going to need to actually be able to successfully pass the labs. If you try to skip everything and not pay attention to it, that means twirling your thumbs, playing on your phone, texting whoever it is, trying to do your newest TikTok or whatever it may be. If you're doing all that, then you're going to lose focus on what you're supposed to be learning. And when it comes time to do the labs, you're going to be out of gas. And then that's going to be your fault. And then you're going to have to find yourself going back to watch the videos again. So I advise you to pay attention the first time, so you're going to have to do it again. All right, so you just come through, you'll watch the other video, 4.9.3. Then you'll do a reading right here on 4.9.4. All right, to make sure you understand everything that you're doing. As you see, all this stuff is not long. This may take an hour out your day to do everything for you to fully understand it, maybe. But most of my students, we would get through this in a class period, and then they'd be able to move on. All right, so after you do all your readings and watch your videos, then you're going to move on to 4.9.5. This is where you will start your lab. You click start the lab and you go through and you do all your tasks inside the lab. All right. So as you see, the lab is loading. You got remaining task, which is 9. So you're going to do these tasks inside the lab. And we're going to stop right here because I'm actually going to show you how to do some of these tasks. All right. So you can move on. So if anybody that actually got stuck and needed some help, I'm going to show you how to do this. So that's it. What we covered in this video was making sure you could get to the test out screen, making sure you could log in, and making sure after you logged in, you knew how to navigate to the chapter inside the test out that you need to get to, which in this situation, it starts at 4.9. All right. So that's 4.9. That's where you need to be at. All right. I appreciate it. This Coach Fred, Mr. Kroon, Sticks, whatever it is that you calling me, and we out. Peace.